Winter, 1910. A passenger train carrying dozens of people vanished during one of the deadliest snowstorms in North American history. As the train pushed deeper into the frozen mountains, the storm became violent. Wind slammed against the metal cars. Snow buried the tracks faster than workers could clear them. Inside, passengers began to panic. The lights flickered constantly. Windows froze solid. Some people prayed quietly, while others stared into the endless white darkness outside. Then communication suddenly stopped. The final message from the train was short, disturbed, and incomplete. After that, silence. Hours later, rescue crews entered the mountains and discovered abandoned luggage buried beneath the snow, broken railway equipment, and tracks that vanished into the ice. Days later, wreckage was finally found deep in the mountains. Twisted metal, frozen debris, no clear answers. And even today, nobody knows what truly happened inside that train during its final moments in the storm.